That was good.
My name is Chris Piercy. I'm the current pipe major of Tidewater Pipes and Drums, based out of Norfolk, Virginia. Our band members come from all over the greater Hampton Roads area, and I'm here tonight to tell you a little bit about the Highland bagpipes. What I have here is called the Great Highland Bagpipe from Scottish Highlands. It is one of probably a couple thousand different types of bagpipe or bagpipe-like instruments throughout the world. And the pipes themselves here is not really where most of the music comes from. The music for the Highland bagpipes comes out of our chanter down here.
I've been learning to play the pipes since January of 2016. I actually picked the instrument of January of 2017, so it's been about 4 months right now for me playing this.
And you live in an apartment, right?
Yes.
How's that been?
It's difficult to find places to practice. I was told when I picked this instrument up that the secondary name we have for it is lease breaker, so it's not really something I can play in my apartment. I have to find alternatives.
What's a misconception about learning the bagpipes?
I think how difficult they are to blow up, when the difficulty is actually in the music itself, because you have to learn it all. You can't read off music when you're playing the bagpipes. You have to have it in your head.
It's okay, I'll help you. Keep going. Just blow as hard as you can.
That was as hard as I can.
See, you can get the noise out.
Okay.
Keep blow. See if you can keep blowing. Harder. You're almost there. You almost did it.